Hi everyone, it's me again, Miss McCarthy. Welcome back. I hope that you had a great day yesterday. And again, I'm so happy that you clicked on today's link. Please remember to sit in a nice quiet spot. Get your paper and pencil ready. And if you need to, you can go ahead and pause the video and go get your materials if you need to, and then come back and press play, and we'll get started with our lesson. So today's lesson is a little shorter than our day 1 and day 2 lessons, just to let you know. And we're going to get started by looking at some spelling sounds. So I will point to some sounds on some cards, and then I would like you to tell me the sounds that they make. Okay? So remember when you have a vowel with a consonant and then an E at the end, this vowel here is going to say A. So when I point to this, you'll say A, A. I, E, or, er, er, are. Nice job. It's important to remember those sounds when you're reading. Okay, let's take a look at some of our words that we've been practicing. Remember, I want you to read, spell, read. This is a really important thing to do, so please take it seriously. Okay, think, read, spell, read, school, think, read, spell, read, after, read, spell, read, won't, read, spell, read, to, read, spell, read, don't, think, read, spell, read, who. Nice job, friends. Nice job. Okay, so today, like I said, it's a very short lesson. So what I'm going to ask you to do in a moment is go back to the book that you read yesterday, Fun Forts. A really great book all about forts. And I'm going to ask you to reread it. I forgot to do this yesterday and I apologize, but I want to share with you some words that you might come across as you're reading that I want to tell you what those words are. Let me fix one of them first though. Okay, so this word is chair. You read it. Nice. Couch. Books. Blanket. Hold. I'll read them again. Chair, couch, books, blanket, hold. Now, when you were in school, your teacher would write these down on the whiteboard and then leave them out on the table so that you can look at them. What I need you to do is I need you to take a really close look and take a picture with your brain so that when you come to these words in the book, you'll remember what they are. So here they are again. Take a close look. Chair, couch, books, blanket, hold. Okay, and you'll see those words in your book today. So as you're reading your book today, I want you to be thinking of these two questions, okay? So the first question is this: how does the illustrations on page 6 and 7, let's take a look. How do these illustrations help you understand the words? Take a look at those illustrations. Take a look. And how do they help you to understand the words? Hmm. Well, I can see that there are some blankets on top of these chairs, on top of the couch, rather, right? Oh, and I see there's some chairs too. Look, those are different, those legs. I look really close at those pictures to help me. So I know that there's a couch and there's a chair and there are blankets. And this can really help me to understand the words on the page because I'm taking a look at those illustrations first to help me. So you can do that too. Righty. So as you're reading your book today, I want you to be thinking about how your illustrations can help you with your reading. And then when you're done reading today, then come back to this video and press play again, and we'll do the last part of our lesson, which is our writing. And I do have one more question to ask you about your book. So go ahead and press pause and read today's story. See you in a bit. Happy reading. Did you read the book? Good. Okay, so let's get started. So one question that I would like you to answer and either tell me right now or tell a family member or tell a stuffed animal or make a video of yourself and post it on your Class Dojo page to your teacher is this. What are some other ways that you might make a fort? You read about lots of different ways in the book, but what might you do? How might you make a fort? You can tell me right now if you want. Yeah, that's a really good idea. I like that idea. So you can also take a video and share it with your teacher. All right, so to end our lesson today, we are going to write a sentence. So go ahead and take out your paper and your writing utensil. And our sentence is this: swings are fun. Okay, swings are fun. So that first word is swings. And think first, what's important about the first word in a sentence? What must you do to that first word? Yeah, it has a capital letter at the beginning, okay? So go ahead and write swings on your board, on your paper. Don't forget that capital letter. Okay, what was the second word in my sentence? R. Yeah, go ahead and write R. Don't forget your space in between your word. And then what was the last word in the sentence that I said? Fun. Yeah, swings are fun. Go ahead and write fun. And then remind me, what mark do you need at the end of a sentence? Yeah, a period. Go ahead and put your period in it. Check your work. You can use mine if you want to. Make sure all your words look just like mine. If you made a mistake, that's okay. Just fix it. That's the end of our lesson today. You can go ahead and take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. If you want to, you can reread the story. You can read it with a partner at home. You can read it to your stuffed animals. You can take turns with somebody at home. One person reads one page and then you read a page. You can talk about the book also. Those are some fun things that you can do while you're reading. Thank you again for clicking on today's lesson. Again, I miss you so much and I'm so proud of you that you clicked the link and that you're doing your reading, and we'll see you next week. Bye, I miss you.